Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. The video we have here is how to cut a male shirt back yoke. Male shirt back yoke. We have different ways of cutting the male shirt back yoke. You can decide to make it S cut, rectangle cut, rectangular cut. You can as well make it a straight cut or V neck cut. Now we have 7-inch here, 7 inches here. That 7 inch is a perfect way of cutting a male shirt back yoke. Yes, you can decide to make it 7, 6, or 5. Mine is 7. I added half, which is 7.5. Yeah, if you're measuring it right from your shoulder, you make it 7 inch plus 0.5, that's 7.5. If you're measuring from where I'm cutting right now, which is the next side, that will be 5. Yeah, 5 inches. So it's better for you just to measure it right from your main shoulder. Yeah, so it depends on how you want it to be, but if it's more than that 7, it's going to be too much and the fitting won't be out. And the purpose of this lappe yoke is just to make, men are broad, they have broad shoulder, broad back, so you need to make it 2. Yeah, you need to double your material at that particular point, so that when they raise their hand or something, the material or their cloth won't just tear off. And they sweat a lot, they need additional material on it so that it will add to the main material. So here I have this V and the S shape. So at this point I felt, okay, let me just cut 3 different material on how to explain it more better, and so that you can enjoy the tutorial. So here I'm cutting this out. This is the first one with the main fabric. That's the V cut. Now this is the S cut, S shape. Yes, and this is what we get. Yes, that's that is one of the ways of how to cut a male shirt back yoke. Now I have three different material and how to explain more better, because the first one wasn't really doing justice to it. I need 3 different materials because I'm cutting 3 types. I'm cutting the S shape, which is the S cut, the slant one, which is the V neck, V cut, sorry, while the rectangular cut as well, which is the straight cut. Here I'm just trying to mark the neck out and doing the normal slanting from the shoulder. Yeah, the shoulder don't have to be straight because human being shoulder are not straight. It's just slant from the upper part. Now this is where we have the straight cut and the slant, which is the V cut. So the second one, I'm going through the process as well, and the only difference is this one I'm making it the S cut, S shape. That is the S shape. Yeah, while the third one, this is it. Okay, we have the straight one, we have this is the S cut, S shape. I'm cutting it out, slanting the shoulder side out, and that neck side is out. That's the first one, equivalent. That first one is just like the first one we cut out. They are the same shape. While the second one is the V cut. That's the slant. That's it. That is what we have, V cut for the male shirt back yoke. The last one is the straight cut, which is the rectangular cut, and that is it. The purpose of this, we have males are broad. It's not all about the shape, it's all about trying to double the male outfit.